Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the show pips indicator for MT4. All right, so if you're serious about tracking your trades effectively, then this indicator is an effective indicator that you might want to consider having in your trading arsenal. All right, because it gives you real-time data on pips, percentage risk, and dollar value, okay, helping you manage your trades with confidence and precision. In this video, I'll break down how this powerful indicator works and how you can use it to improve your Forex trading strategy. All right. Um, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now, the show pips indicator. All right, so we can see the indicator up there. Let's see if we can increase the thickness or something. Okay, now if you look to the top right, you're going to see the indicator, doing what it knows how to do best. Yeah. So what exactly does the show pips indicator do? Well, this indicator provides detailed trade information that helps traders monitor open positions more effectively. Okay. So here's what it displays. It displays profit or loss in pips. Let's just sell it. Let's just try something real quick. Yeah. All right. Okay. So can you see what is going on? You can see that the indicator shows your profit or loss in pips. You can see in real time it's calculating your profit or loss in pips. I just opened the random position right now on this demo account, and you can see that the indicator is showing us the profit or loss in pips. So you can easily track how many pips you have gained or lost on a trade in real time. Okay, and then it also shows, you can see the profit or loss in dollar value. Right, is that the dollar value that we're seeing there? Okay, let's see. 20, is this 27? It's 2.7 pips, 2.6 pips. Yeah, it's actually showing the, value in pips. But now I'm trying to exactly understand what the second value is. I'm trying to understand what its second information is. Okay. Well, I'm not exactly sure what this second information is, but as you can see, the third information is the timing. It also shows time. Depending on the time frame you are on, it's going to show you how many seconds or how many minutes is left for that candle. You can see it's going to show you how many seconds or how many minutes is left. That is for the third value. How many seconds or how many minutes is left for that candle to close. All right. I think this should be the spread. Yeah, I think this should be the spread. Yes, this should be the spread. So this is showing you the pips of your profit or loss, and this is showing you the time for the candle to close, and this is showing you the spread. Okay. So, and this is actually a crucial factor, especially if you are trading during high impact news releases. All right. Okay. And for the timing, for those who like to pay attention to, who use time-based strategies, candle timing based strategies, right? It's perfect for timing your trades and understanding market momentum. Okay, so you can see that the indicator also helps to give the time left for the current bar to close. Now let's talk about why this indicator is so beneficial for Forex traders. Because it simplifies trade monitoring. Okay, instead of manually calculating your pips or checking different tabs, everything is displayed right on your chart. Okay, so, and it also improves money management. Knowing your percentage based risk helps ensure that you are not overexposing your account. All right, and it allows you to spread changes. You know, if you are trading, sorry about this, if you are trading on a variable spread account, you know, keeping an eye on the spread fluctuations, this second value here, keeping an eye on the spread fluctuations can actually help you avoid costly mistakes. Okay, and it also helps with timing your trades. All right, this the indicator helps you with timing your trades. You know, because the countdown bar, you know, the counts down to bar close lets you anticipate market shifts more accurately. Okay. Um, Now that you know what this indicator does, let us go over how to use it effectively in your trading strategy. Okay, one is to monitor open positions. All right, you can use the pips, you know, the pips value display. You can use the pips value display to track trades without constantly switching tabs. Yeah, without constantly switching tabs. And then you can manage your risks like a pro. You can use the, you know, percentage based you know percentage based loss or profit info to stay within your risk limit. Let's change the settings. You can actually come here and you change the settings, you know, how you want it to, you know, how you want the indicator to be displayed. You can even change the positioning, right? You can change the positioning, type of appearance, whether it should follow the price or whether it should be as a comment or in selected corner of the screen. You can you know, do all that. Okay, click on OK. All right, so we can see that this indicator, if you permit, it's going to show you the number of pips in profit. It's going to show you the value in profit, the USD profit value. Yeah, going to show you your profit or loss in pips. It's going to show you your profit or loss in percentage. Where is it here? You can see your profit or loss in percentage. It's also going to show you your profit or loss in dollar value, and still going to show you the, you know, the spread of the current symbol, and going to show you the time left for the current, you know, bar close. Okay, so it actually has all this information. Yeah, it has all this information if you allow, you know, all this information to be displayed in the settings. Okay, so the indicator has, you know, multiple benefits, including monitoring your open positions, managing your risk, you know, watching the spread, you know, and also planning your exit carefully, because the back close countdown can help you decide whether to hold or close a position before the next candle opens. All right, so the show pips indicator is actually a useful tool, one of the useful tools for forex traders, helping you track trades, manage your risk, and you know, manage your risk effortlessly, basically. All right, and monitor spreads effortlessly. All right, so best of all, it's easy to install, free to download, and highly customizable to fit your trading needs. All right, so if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more valuable forex content. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite trading indicator. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.